Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix a blinking PON light on your fiber internet modem or ONT. First, inspect the fiber optic cable. Check the thin yellow or white cable running from the wall to the back of your modem. Make sure the connector is fully inserted and locked into the fiber port. Also, look for any sharp bends, kinks, or cuts. Fiber optic cables are very fragile, and even a small bend can interrupt the signal. Next, power cycle your equipment. Unplug the power cable from both your modem or ONT and your Wi-Fi router. Leave them unplugged for 10 to 15 minutes. Then plug the modem back in first, followed by the router. Wait another 5 to 10 minutes for the network to reconnect. If the connection is restored, the PON light should become solid. If the light is still blinking, check for a service outage in your area. Visit your internet provider's official website, mobile app, or social media pages for outage updates. You can also ask nearby neighbors who use the same provider if they are experiencing the same problem. If you are comfortable doing so, clean the fiber connector. Carefully disconnect it from the modem and use a lint-free electronics wipe to clean the optical tip. Do not touch the tip with your fingers. Reconnect it securely and check the PON light again. If the PON light continues blinking or turns red after trying these steps, you will need professional support from your internet provider to inspect and repair the fiber connection. Thanks for watching.